If you've ever struggled with getting the perfect fit while sewing, you know how frustrating it can be. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Dritz Sew You Adjustable Dress Form, S/M. Let's kick things off with the Dritz Sew You Adjustable Dress Form in small/medium size, which retails for $129.99. Right off the bat, this caught my eye because of its vibrant opal green color and the number of features packed into this dress form. If you want a custom fit for sizes US 4 to 12, this is worth a serious look. This dress form offers 9 easy turn wheels that let you adjust the bust, waist, and hips in half-inch increments. That means you can get a precise fit without any guesswork, which is huge for anyone who's tired of trial and error. Plus, it has an adjustable height that goes up to 62.5 inches, so you can match it to your own measurements for optimal fitting every time. If you've ever struggled with uneven hems, you'll appreciate the 360-degree adjustable hem guide that makes it easy to achieve accuracy. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. With over 700 units sold in the last month, it's clear many are finding this to be a reliable tool in their sewing kit. However, some users have mentioned that the foam material can feel a bit flimsy over time. Now, some people complained about the sturdiness of the frame. Here's the thing though, while it might not be as robust as metal options, it still does the job for light to moderate use. This is perfect for you if you are a beginner or hobbyist looking to make alterations or create garments from scratch. Skip this one if you're a professional needing something heavy-duty for daily use. At $129.99, it provides solid value for the features you get. Now, if the size range of the Dritz S/M bothered you, the next dress form on my list is designed for a larger fit. Product number 2, the Dritz Sew You Adjustable Dress Form in medium large, also priced at $129.99. Designed for sizes US 12 to 18, this option caught my eye because of its slightly larger fit, perfect for those who need a little more room. If you need a versatile dress form that accommodates larger sizes, this is worth a serious look. This dress form features 9 adjustable wheels, just like the smaller version, that allow you to customize your bust, waist, and hips. The height adjustment goes up to 63 inches, making it another great choice for varying shoulder-to-floor measurements. What really stands out is the inclusion of a printed hem guide, which simplifies the process of getting that perfect hem every time. Given that it has over 300 units sold recently, it's clear that more people are finding it useful for their sewing projects. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit heavy at 10.05 pounds, which might make it less portable. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who typically sews at a stationary space, the weight won't really be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a casual or semi-professional seamstress looking for a reliable dress form. Skip this one if you need something extremely lightweight for travel. At $129.99, it still holds strong value with excellent features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for petite sizes. Product number 3, the Dritz Twin Fit Adjustable Dress Form in Petite, priced at $199.99. This one really caught my attention because it's specifically designed for sizes US 00 to 4. If you're petite and have struggled to find a dress form that fits properly, this is worth a serious look. This dress form boasts 10 auto-set dials for a super customizable fit, meaning you can easily adjust it in half-inch increments. The height can be adjusted up to 66 inches, which is an excellent feature for taller projects. With over 100 units sold recently, people are clearly finding value in its design. It also comes with a sturdy tripod base, ensuring that it stays stable while you're pinning and adjusting. On the downside, some users have mentioned that the higher price point can be a concern. But here's the thing, if you're petite and need that accuracy for your small frame, the investment can be worth it. You're paying for precision and durability, which is crucial in sewing. This is perfect for you if you're a petite sewer looking to create garments that fit well without the hassle. Skip this one if you don't specifically need that petite sizing. At $199.99, it's a bigger investment but brings quality to the table. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the next product might be up your alley. Product number 4, the Crancidium Female Mannequin Torso Sewing. The Crancidium Female Mannequin Torso, which you can snag for just $70.99. I was drawn to this one because it's an affordable option that doesn't skimp on functionality. If you want a budget-friendly adjustable dress form, this is worth a serious look. This mannequin features an adjustable height from 47.2 to 74.8 inches, making it versatile for different displays. The sturdy metal base is a nice touch, ensuring it won't tip over easily, which is a common issue with lighter models. The fabric covering is made from durable linen that's pinnable, allowing you to easily secure patterns, which is essential for any sewing project. While it doesn't have as many adjustment dials, it's still effective for various garment displays, with over 100 units sold recently. However, some users have indicated that it's not as flexible for fitting as full body forms. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily interested in display rather than fitting, this mannequin holds its own quite well. This is perfect for you if you're a clothing store owner or someone looking for a simple display solution. Skip this one if you need a fully adjustable fitting form for intricate sewing projects. At $70.99, it's an excellent value for those on a tight budget. Now, if you want something specifically tailored for fitting, the last product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, So Simple FG306 Adjustable Dress Form, priced at $149.99. This caught my attention because it offers a solid mix of adjustability and quality features. If you want a reliable dress form for detailed fittings, this is worth a serious look. This option features an 8-part body and 12 adjustable thumb wheels, allowing you to modify the bust, waist, and hips with precision. It can accommodate a height of up to 6'3", which is impressive for taller individuals. The fabric is designed for easy pinning, making it a breeze to attach patterns and secure your projects. With over 50 units sold recently, it seems to be gaining traction among sewing enthusiasts. However, some customers found the assembly process a bit tricky. Here's the thing. While it can take a little time, once set up, it's incredibly functional for ongoing sewing projects. This is perfect for you if you're serious about sewing and want a dependable tool to assist in your projects. Skip this one if you prefer a no assembly required option. At $149.99, it delivers solid value given its features and adjustability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dritz Sew You Adjustable Dress Form M/L because of its balance between size flexibility and features. I'd advise steering clear of the Dritz Twin Fit if you're not petite, as the price might not be justified otherwise. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.